Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today we're doing a video on what to do when you're bored, so stay tuned. So first project for today is going to be shower jello in a donut shape. I chose yellow this time with a lovely mango scent, so grab your favorite shower gel and stay tuned. So I'm using this super simple donut mold out of silicone. Here you can also choose your favorite one. Here is a vegetarian gelatin, but you can use the regular one if you like as well. Here I have a little bit of mango scented shower gel, one of my favorite ones. And here is some green stuff, lime scented I think. Then 2 bowls for mixing, and I'll heat the gelatin with the water first and I'll see what the package says. So whatever you buy, just follow the instructions on the package. So in my case, for each pack I'll need about 100 milliliters of water, and I'll take 1 baggie per each shower gel. So a total of 200 milliliters of water with 2 packs of gelatin in my case. So then we will mix and pour it in the mold. Here is the hot gelatin with the water, so let's add the shower gel. And mix. And pour into your mold. And now this needs to cool and harden, so it can take up to 2 hours depending on the shape that you want. So just let them rest a bit. So here they are. So when you mix them with water, they will dissolve, so they're great when you take a bath and everything smells like mango in my case. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see project number 2, then make sure to stay tuned. I'll make a little container out of an old shower gel package. So today we're doing kind of an upcycling video, so we're using something old to make something new. One of my favorite things to do. So I have a pretty and empty shower gel bottle, and then I have some elastic band and a button. Then I have a hole puncher as well, 1 box cutter or utility knife, and some scissors. First, remove all stickers and labels and scrub the leftover glue off. This was a bit more difficult than what I expected, to be honest. I did have to really get in here, but I think I did manage pretty well. So the section that I need is clean. So the bottom is what we need. So don't worry about the rest of it. You always just need the bottom. Another tip is to do or use something slippery. I used Vaseline, so it may seem counterintuitive, but it did work wonders for me. So either oil or something oily that you have at home will work. Just make sure when you're done to wipe the excess off. So let's start. Now is the time to decide how big your container or plastic baggie is going to be. So let's cut it out. I'll open it up with my utility knife and then I'll switch to the scissors. So after I cut the other half, I can kind of fold it to make it easier for me. Cut this way now. Okay, I have a little bit of gel inside, so I'll wash this first, but all in all, I can fold like this to make a little closing on top, and I'll fix the rougher edges as well, a bit with my scissors. You can also take a nail file and smooth it all out. Okay, so I cleaned this now, and now I'll follow the edges so that I can make it nice and smooth. You can also test it out, so if you like the shape, then you're good, or you can just cut till you get what you want. Also, I recommend leaving a bit more rather than a bit less because it's a lot easier to fix later. So yeah, I'll punch a hole here. Okay, now comes the button and the band. I tied a nice knot here and I'll test it out. And we need another knot here. Cut off the rest and we are already done. So I'll show you how to close it now. And go over the button. And there we are, so we're already done. If you guys did like this project, let me know in the comment section. If you like the first one, let me know as well. You can also use a hairband and skip on the button if you'd like, so this is pretty much up to you, as long as you go around the box with whatever you want to keep it closed. So anyway, this is what the second project looks like. I like projects where we make something new out of something old. I think that's always pretty cool to do. So let me know which project you like better. Feel free to use our hashtag as well, and I'll see you next time. Bye!